Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when you can't open camera on your iPhone. So for fixing it you just need to go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general, and in the general you need to open software update. So just wait until it will successfully check updates for your phone and just show to you if you have some updates you need to download and install on your device or not. So here you can see that my iPhone is successfully updated to the latest iOS, and I don't need to install and download some another update. So just check, because sometimes you can't open camera because you didn't update your phone. So just check this thing. And also, if it doesn't help you, the latest variant you can also do is to go to reset and just choose here erase all content and settings. But you need to know that if you didn't save your photos and documents and some files to your iCloud, it will delete all of your files. That's why you just need to do it only in it's the latest variant. So also you can try to restore your phone. So just keep holding your power button until you will see here slide to power off, and just slide to power off. Or another also thing you can also try is to do hard reset. So just keep holding. It depends on your model of your iPhone, because in 7 iPhone you need to keep holding low volume button and power button for some time. Sorry, not lower volume button, but home button and power button for maybe 10 seconds until you will see here Apple logo. So it means that you successfully do hard reset. And you just you can just find in the internet, in your model of iPhone, how you can do hard reset, and sometimes it helps. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.